Imam Ibn al-Qayyim rahimahullah said that surely sins are like the seeds of fruits that always bear like fruits. Some of our pious predecessors have said that indeed the punishment for committing a sin is that one is compelled to commit sin again, and the reward for committing a good deed is the guidance to follow that up with yet another good deed. The singular action of doing a good deed bears a series of good deeds, and in turn one's profits multiply. Similarly, bad deeds beget more bad deeds and begin to take shape and permanence in one's character. If a righteous person were to leave a good deed, he would feel confined and constricted, though he lives in a world of vast magnitude. Much like a fish out of water, the soul finds rest only in the tides of moral decency. So, it is the same sinner who finds comfort only in the familiarity and repetition of old sin. He too feels the same sense of longing as the righteous person does. But he sins not for the pleasure that is derived from it, but to pacify the pain that being away from it brings.